What's up, YouTube? We're back again. So today we're going to be going over some quick little information tidbits for you guys. You might have overlooked this, or you might think, well, I don't need it. I don't have to spend that extra money. Let's get to it. So you have your beard wash, your beard oil, your beard balm, and you're thinking you're set. You're going to grow such a badass beard, and that's all you need to do. And not really. You're going to need a couple other little things. Well, what you're asking? Well, beard combs and beard brushes. So you guys are thinking, well, I use this crusty old plastic black comb that everybody has, and it works just fine, you know. No, it's not. It's not good for your beard. What you're doing is damaging your beard. How you're asking is, you've probably noticed that as you've used it and gone to put it away, or you've actually washed it out, because there's hair stuck in the teeth of the comb, even to the point where you've pulled out the hair follicle with that beard hair. And that's bad, because you're going to cause patches of hair that are missing. You're also going to cause ingrown hairs. You're going to just ruin your beard. It's not a good thing to do. You're also going to cause your hair to be a split end as well. It causes static. So what that does is split the hair all the way down to the skin surface, and then basically damages that follicle and that hair to the point where it causes ingrown hairs, a pimple, or something like that. And then you have to pull it out because it's that irritating to have a pimple underneath your beard. It's a bad look. Don't use them for that. Use them for your mustache, if anything. Use them for your hair on your head. Otherwise, if you don't need them for that, chuck them. Don't use them for your beard whatsoever. Now you're asking, well, what can I use then? Well, like I just said, your beard combs and beard brushes. So this one in particular is my beard comb. I've had this for about 5 years now, 5-6 years. It's from the dollar beard store. It's made of sandalwood. It smells of sandalwood. It's a very great comb. I love this thing. It's lightweight, yet sturdy and thin, with a nice wide tooth profile. This thing gets right in there. It straightens. It does not pull or tug on my beard whatsoever. And I've had my beard a lot longer, and it does amazing. I love this thing. It was like $9. I'm very happy I bought it. Does the job. Perfect for you guys with longer beards, or about an inch long or something like that. It's great for you guys with that. It's definitely good to invest if you want to have a longer beard. It straightens it. It sorts it out. It's perfect. I love it. Definitely recommend them. I'll put a link down below for this comb in particular for you guys. You can get these combs anywhere, like I said, from $9 up to $50. Don't feel pressured to get an expensive comb thinking it's going to be better than another comb. It's a comb. That is it. But it's a wooden comb. That's what you need, with the nice wide teeth on there. The reason why some of these combs are going to be more expensive is because they're handmade, or it's a special wood that they're made of. That's the only thing that's going to separate them. But the key thing is a wooden tooth comb with a nice wide tooth on it. That's all you need. So let's get on to the Bristle Brushes. This one in particular as well is a dollar beard store bristle brush. I got this about 5-6 years ago as well. I paid $15, I believe, for this. And this thing is amazing. This is perfect for you guys with beards like mine, with a little bit of length, or you guys with the really short, stubbly type of beard. Even you guys with the very long beards can use these. It's perfect for that as well. So it's good for getting in there, right against the skin. You just get right down to the base. And what it does is it stimulates the hair follicles. It massages the skin. Does a little bit of exfoliating too, if you've just come out of the shower. And it just feels all around great. You can use just the tip of it as well to add some more body to your beard, make it look a little bit wider and bigger. There you go. It's an amazing comb brush. I love this thing. The key thing is it to be a boar's hair. You can get away with horsehair ones too. They're harder to come by, but you always see them made of boar's hair. It's a very stiff bristle, which is what you want. Don't try and get like the synthetic ones or anything fake. Just spend a little bit extra, get the boar's hair. You won't be disappointed whatsoever. These brushes are awesome. And a quick little tidbit for you guys for cleaning these. Just stick your fingers in there like that, turn it upside down and brush it back and forth. And it'll basically just eject all the hairs out of there. So you don't have any like random stray hairs that you're putting back in your beard, which are going to fall out later and look bad. Just a quick little hint for you guys for cleaning these things. Also on the other end, you have these plastic wide style brushes. This one in particular is made by Goody. I believe it's from Walmart for like $4. You can get them from dollar store, Amazon, eBay, Walmart, anything like that, for relatively super cheap. The key thing is to have the nubs on the end, the plastic little nubs. That stops it from grabbing hairs and tugging and pulling on them. Also, the width. You want to be able to maybe stick like a finger through there, like you can see right there. What that's going to do is stop it from tangling and grabbing and causing any issues. These are great for combing your beard as well, adding more volume, making your beard look a lot bigger than it is, just giving it some more body, and sorting it out as well. This one's from my girlfriend's drawer. She's probably not going to like that I just used it, but I'm sure she'll get over it. You can get them relatively cheap, like no more than $5. Definitely invest in one of these as well. It definitely is a nice little accessory to have in your beard kit. Same with these. I'll put links down below for the ones that I just showed you. Also, make sure to head on over to 10X Beards and check out their beard combs there. They have a nice little selection. Also, use the discount code that I'm giving you right now, 10X, capital X, Bentley, capital B, ENTLEY, and that will give you a 10% discount from 10X Beards. So if you liked the video, hit like, share, subscribe, leave some comments down below if you want to help some, add some helpful hints. I'm sure somebody else will be glad to see them as well in these videos. If you could check out that video and check out that video and subscribe, that would be amazing too. Till next time, cheers.